Hello friends, welcome back to the next session. In this session, we are just taking to the input-output syntax. The first one we have here is cout. So this is used to display on the screen, display your output. So it is written as cout with a operator. So this operator is called as insertion operator and whatever value you want to display. Then second thing we have here is the cin, which takes the input from the user and it is written as cin with the operator. So this is called as extraction operator and the variable. These two are used for the manipulation part, wherein if you want to move to the next line, we are using endl or the backslash n. So when you're using this in the program, it will be always with cout with the endl, or the second way you can use this slash n by putting it in double quotes inside the cout. Okay, so let's write the first program just to display hello. Okay, so I'll open online compiler. So I'm using here program is online compiler, wherein you can see here the basic code has been written. So there are different languages you can write here. One is Java, you can write here Python, you can write here C. Now this the basic structure had explained in the last class. You want include as IO stream. Then you want here using namespace std. The program has not written include namespace std. In place of that, it has written this part std with the double colons and cout. We won't be writing this in the program. In place of that, I'll be writing here using namespace std with a semicolon. Then we have int main and the opening brackets. Now inside this we have to write the program. So what we'll do here now, we want to print hello world. So we can write here cout with the insertion operator. Inside double quotes I want to write hello and semicolon. Next we'll have here return and the main program will be closed. If I run this, you can see here hello is printed. Now let's suppose I am writing something below the return. Cout. I'm writing here print semicolon. Okay. Now if you see output, only hello is printed. That means whatever is written after this return, it is not printed because the program understands that the whatever is written is still the return syntax and it returns 0 to the main program and it stops the program. Now let's say I want to write hello and below that I want to write hello and below that I want to write welcome to the session. So how I can write in the one line only over here, I can mention here one way I can mention directly is slash n. Okay, and I can just write here next line cout with double quotes. I can write welcome to the session and I can end this with the semicolon and just run it. Since in here I have written a slash n inside a double quotes and I'm getting at hello, welcome to the session. Now how to use endl? So let's say I want to use endl over here. I want a gap between this hello and welcome to the session. I can just write here cout and I can say endl semicolon. Okay. If I run this program, I'll get hello, space, and then the welcome to the session. Okay. Another way you can write this is with your and C out only. I can write it here only, and L. I can write in here. Here I can write C plus plus. Close it. Okay, close it. If I run this code, I'll get hello. There will be a gap. Welcome to the session. And on the next line, I'll get C plus plus. Now this is all about your output. Now if I want to take the input and then I want to print the output. In that case, I'll just modify here. I want to take the input. So I'll use here cin with the operator. I will write here. Let's say I have to give here one variable. So let's say cin name I'll give. Okay. But now I have to mention about this name in the program. So I'll mention here this is a string type. So I'll mention here string name. Okay. And I'll run this code. Now when you're running this code, you can see here everything is blank. Now user cannot understand what you have to enter. So for the user friendly part, we can just mark here yow with the operator. I can write here enter your name. Okay, with a semicolon and end this. So when I run this part, it will ask me enter your name. Okay, now it is user friendly. Now I know what I have to enter. Now I'll enter here Rahul. And I'll say enter. Now what is happening? This Rahul is stored in this variable name. Now if I want to output whatever I have entered, I can just enter here one more line, that is C out, and I can just say name. This container, whatever is there inside this container, I want to enter. Let's say I want to even add here. Okay, let's run this first. I'll put a different name now. Let's say I have a name as Rahil. Enter. Rahil will be printed. Now I can modify this more by just saying here that my name is, and then I'll put name. So what will be printed? My name is will be printed, and whatever is entered by the user, it will be printed over here. Let's try it now. My name is Hassan. Hassan. Okay, I say enter. Now I can get here. My name is Hassan. Similarly, even I can add here different things. Let's say I can add here two more things. Uh, let's say we'll add age also. So for age we require int variable, int age, and I can write here e out, enter your age with a semicolon, and I'll write here cin age. Now what will happen? It will ask you for the age and it will store that age in age container. This is my one container, this is my second container. Same thing I can write here. In front of this I can write and L. Okay. And then I can write my age is, and then age container semicolon. So what will happen? How my output will be printed? My name is, whatever you have entering in the name. Okay, this container will be printed here, and it will go to the next line. My age is will be printed, and whatever the age container will be printed. Let's try it out. First is asking for the name, so let's write my name as Gagan. Okay, enter. Enter your age, 50. I can see my name is Gagan, my age is 50. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any suggestion, anything you want me to explain, please write it in the comment. Thank you.